I think all of you are at your home and safe. I am your chemistry teacher. Today's topic is P block elements. P block elements belongs to groups 13 to 18. In these elements, the electron enter into P subset. Electronic configuration are NS2, NP1 to 6. Now, the group 15, that is nitrogen family. It consists of neon, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth occurrence, means presence. Nitrogen occurs both in combined state as well as free state. In the atmosphere, the presence of nitrogen is 78%. In combined state, nitrogen occurs in sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate and ammonium salt in the earth crust. In presence of DNA and RNA, amino acids and protein, etc. Now, the next element is phosphorus. Phosphorus is more reactive element that does not occur in the free state. It also represents in combined state like phosphoride, that is Ca3PO4 whole twice, and fluoride. Now, electronic configuration, that the general electronic configuration is NS2, NP3 is the electronic configuration of group 15. It means 5 electron in valency shell and the 3 electron in P subshell and 2 electron in S subshell. It means if 3 electron in P subshell, then it is unpaired electron in P subshell. Now, physical property of group 15. Physical state. Nitrogen is a gas while phosphorus is vaporizable solid. Rest of members of the group are solids. Now, next point. Atomic radii. Atomic radii of the group 15 are smaller than group 14. Atomic radii increase on moving down the group. Now, next point is ionic radii. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic form ions of the type M3 minus, while antimony and bismuth forms positive ions type M3 plus. Ionic radii of negative ions are larger than positive ions than corresponding of atomic radii. Now, density. Density of group 15 elements increase regularity on moving atoms in the groups. Now, melting and boiling points. Melting points first increase from nitrogen to arsenic and decrease to bismuth. The boiling point shows regular increase going from nitrogen to bismuth. Now, see the cup board. Now, electronic configuration I told you before, NS2, NP3, and atomic radii lesser than carbon family. Ionic enthalpy much higher than 14 to 16 group. Then electronegativity higher than 14th group. Entropy, that is all the elements shows ultra exact bismuth and nitrogen. Catenation shows catenation property lesser than carbon. Catenation means होता है that is self linkage property. Then now chemical property, that is oxidation state. The element of the family shows -3, +3 and -5 oxidation state. The tendency of elements to shows -3 oxidation state decrease as we move down the group. Now, next point is maximum covalency. Covalency means the sharing of electron to each other, that is called covalency. All the elements of this group shows 5 and 6 covalency except nitrogen. Then next point is reaction towards hydrogen. The elements of this group form EH3 and EH5 types of hydrides. It means EH3 means E means element, H3 means आपका element hydrogen hydride means like NH3, and EH5 nitrogen have formed special types of hydrides like NH3 and near the hydrochloric acid. Reaction towards oxygen. The element of their group from two types of oxide, E2O3 and E2O5. Now, amorphous property of nitrogen. Amorphous property means the nature of acidic and basic. That is called amorphous property. So here is in nitrogen p-pi bond present. That is p-pi multiple bond. Nitrogen has unique ability to form p-pi multiple bonds with itself and with other elements like carbon and oxygen. Nitrogen has smaller size and high electronegativity than other elements. Do not form p-pi bonds because their orbital are so large and diffuse, do not show proper overlapping. Now, maximum covalency. Nitrogen has a covalency of 4. It cannot increase its covalency due to absence of d orbital. Reactivity towards hydrogen. Nitrogen form EH3 types of hydrides. Now you know what is the property of hydrides. It means hydrides property. Stability of hydride decrease down the group. First point. Second point is the reducing characters of hydrides increase down the group. Third point is basicity of hydrides decrease down the group. The next point is reactivity towards oxygen. Nitrogen shows +1 to +5 oxidation state. It can form 5 types of oxides. It means N2O, that is +1 oxidation, NO +2, N2O3 +3 oxidation state, N2O4 that is +4 oxidation state, N2O5 that is +5 oxidation state. Reactivity towards halogen. Nitrogen form EX3. X belong from halogen like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Types of halides. NF3 is more stable than other nitrogen halides. Now, the remaining topics will be explained tomorrow.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.